Check out this Sawyer squeeze water filtration system. So they come with they have a bunch of different options with these, but this one is a squeeze. So we've got the plunger here for cleaning. We've got the filter itself. Take a look at that. We've got the hose that we'll need. We've got a couple of the water bladders. So you're going to fill this with water, and then you're going to put this into the filter. Right, and now you're going to uncap this, and now you can pour this wherever you might need to. This way you can push the water through the filter. It says right on here, when the water starts to slow, when the filter slows down, you can backwash it, and that's where you can just push the water the other way through it. You've got the arrow here to let you know which way the water should be going to filter. And it's all plastic, very lightweight. Even the cleaning stuff, very easy to carry around, very lightweight. From Sawyer, hope this helps.